Hello, YouTube viewers. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to tackle two critical concepts in the maintenance world: preventive maintenance and reliability-centered maintenance. We'll explain what they are, how they differ, and how they can improve your operations. You'll also learn how to choose the right approach for your team based on your specific needs. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team looking to boost efficiency and reliability, stick around. Today, we're exploring the differences between preventive maintenance and reliability-centered maintenance, and which might be the best fit for your team. Both preventive maintenance and reliability-centered maintenance aim to increase asset reliability and lifespan by scheduling maintenance work in advance. However, the approach each takes can be quite different. Preventive maintenance typically applies a general schedule across many assets, whereas reliability-centered maintenance tailors a unique schedule for each piece of equipment based on a detailed analysis. Let's break down how the workflows differ between these two strategies. In a preventive maintenance program, maintenance tasks are scheduled at specific intervals, like oiling a machine every 30 days. Once the time is up, a work order is generated and the task is performed. If you're using a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, this process is tracked and repeated automatically. On the other hand, reliability-centered maintenance starts with a thorough evaluation of each asset, adhering to industry standards. The type of maintenance program selected, be it reactive, preventive, condition-based, or proactive, depends on the asset's role and expected performance within the organization. Now, let's consider how these programs are implemented. Preventive maintenance is often based on past experience, manufacturer's suggestions, or equipment usage, with work orders scheduled at appropriate intervals. Reliability-centered maintenance, however, digs deeper, focusing on 7 key areas to evaluate before implementation. These areas include understanding the asset's performance, identifying all possible failure modes and their causes, and determining the consequences and predictive measures for each failure. Speaking of which, let's explore the 7 critical questions that guide a reliability-centered maintenance program. 1. How does the asset meet current needs, and what is its actual day-to-day performance? 2. In what ways can this asset fail, considering all possible scenarios? 3. Why did each failure occur, tracing back to the root cause? 4. What happens after a failure, and what maintenance program should be assigned? 5. What are the consequences of each failure, and are they significant enough to require prevention? 6. What can you do to prevent these failures, choosing the right maintenance approach based on the severity of potential failures? And 7. When is it time to replace your equipment, considering the cost-effectiveness of maintaining versus replacing? Now let's talk money. What are the costs and savings associated with each approach? Initially, preventive maintenance is less expensive and easier to implement. It involves setting up a schedule based on time or usage, and if you have a CMMS, it's mostly about entering asset data. Reliability-centered maintenance, though, requires a larger upfront investment due to the detailed evaluation of each asset. Cost savings from preventive maintenance can range from 12 to 18%, according to the Department of Energy. However, the savings from reliability-centered maintenance can be significantly higher, ranging from 20 to 70%, depending on the quality of implementation. Each approach has its advantages and disadvantages. Preventive maintenance is quicker and easier to implement, but may lead to over-maintaining equipment. Reliability-centered maintenance can potentially offer the lowest overall maintenance costs and increased production efficiency, but it requires a higher initial investment and longer setup time. What about the resources needed for each system? For preventive maintenance, you'll need maintenance software to schedule work orders, possibly a maintenance scheduler, and preventive maintenance checklists. For reliability-centered maintenance, you might need more advanced maintenance software that includes predictive maintenance functions, various sensors for condition-based monitoring, and a reliability engineer to conduct evaluations. Finally, who should use these programs? Organizations looking to reduce costs from unplanned maintenance might lean towards preventive maintenance, especially if they have historic data and experience with their equipment. Companies aiming to minimize lifecycle costs of new, critical assets might find reliability-centered maintenance more suitable. In conclusion, both preventive and reliability-centered maintenance programs are crucial for improving equipment performance and reducing downtime. The choice between them depends on your specific needs, resources, and long-term maintenance goals. And that wraps up our discussion on preventive maintenance and reliability-centered maintenance. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of these two strategies and how they can benefit your operations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insights from the Maintenance Mastery series. For more resources and in-depth guides, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.